Still have the whole computer case just taken apart. I mean, if you want to take a look.
Yeah, I mean, I might as well.
Yeah, I own a gym.
Are you getting nervous?
Yep. What are you doing there?
Just going in someone's house. I just found someone selling an RTX 5070 for $400. Let's go check it out. All right, so we just found a crazy deal. Look at that, can you even see what it is? It's a 5070 for 400 bucks. Not even negotiating with them, we're just going for it. 400 bucks.
5 minutes later.
What's up, buddy?
How's it going?
You live out in Bonnet Lake?
Yeah.
I grew up in Auburn.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Went over to Auburn Riverside.
Oh, did you? Right on.
I wasn't sure what to put it in.
Yeah, no worries. So there's nothing wrong with it then?
There's nothing wrong with it. I have 2 builds, and I'm basically cashing out my second one.
Oh, are you?
I don't really need them both. If you're interested in i9 24 core as well, I have one of those.
An i9 what gen?
I think it's the newest. I bought it last year.
A 14900K or a 13900K?
I can take a look at it. It's one of the expensive ones that I bought over at Best Buy. I still have the whole computer case just taken apart.
Oh, do you? So I actually have a YouTube channel and I do computer builds. So I'm actually going to put this on YouTube if you're okay with it. I'll blur you out if you have a problem with that. Yeah.
I mean, if you want to take a look at the case that I'm parting out, if you want.
Yeah, I mean, I might as well. I mean, we're a little ways out here. I'm just going to hand this to my dad real quick.
Yeah, I own a general contracting company and we're kind of downsizing. And I had this other build over at my office. And now I'm home, like, I don't need both of them. The one that I've been parting out and piecing. Okay, so it's a NZXT H10, what is it, the 510 case? Yeah. So, but what's the processor in it? So you have a Z790, so it's either going to be a 12th, 13th, or 14th gen processor. That's what fits in that motherboard. Yeah. So if you said it's an i9, I'm assuming it's either a 12900K, a 13900K, or a 14900K. Probably 14. You'd probably honestly get more money on eBay than selling it to me. I do 3 styles of builds. I do all new builds, right? Which is just all new parts, order online. So it's what everyone else is capable of getting. Then I do used online. So eBay, Jawa, used, but people in the country can all purchase from that resource. And then I do what's called impossible builds, which is what I plan to do with your graphics card. And that's where I just get really cheap parts on Marketplace because you can get it cheaper than eBay. Yeah. And then I do that. And that's what I'm like known for. And that's what is the most popular on my channel are like the impossible builds. So it's up to you. I'm assuming it's a 14900K. I didn't even bring more cash with me, so I'm not going to be able to buy it. I would have to know that first, honestly. I get the specs and everything for you and shoot them your way. And I'm going to post them all on Facebook anyway. Yeah, I mean, honestly, you're just short of Bellevue and it's a lot quicker for me to get here than it is all the way into Bellevue. So it's not that big a deal. It took me about 50 minutes to get here. So yeah, just figure out what it is, let me know, and then I'll give you an offer. Realistically though, you'll probably get more if you're trying to sell on eBay. Honestly, I'm just trying to get rid of it. Are you? Are you getting nervous? Yep. What are you doing there? Just going in someone's house. He's got more components. The thing is it's like, he doesn't have it fully stripped apart and I can't tell what it is. He's like, I don't know, man, I'm just trying to get rid of it. And it's like, get rid of the whole thing? Well, he's parting out a computer that came out of. So he still has the motherboard, the processor, the power supply, the cooler, and the case. No RAM? No RAM. They already sold the RAM. Fuck yeah, it works. Go check out the build video I put it in.